Last week we discussed about new concept called that the mail merge in the MS Word, right? This is very important tool, right? When you are doing some bulk document, right? Letters, preparing some letters, certificate, invitations, then we can use these options, mail merge, right? How we can start mail merge, right? I will share some exercise, right? Right. Assume that, right? This is the exercise. Now here you can see there are two documents. One is a letter there, this letter sample there, and another one is sample data, right? Given in the Excel file. Here you can see the file called that is student. Other one is selection letter sigma, right? First I will open the student. Right here you can see this is the Excel file. Now you know about Excel, right? Here you can see in this sheet, you can see there is a title column, registration number there, first name there, last name there, lane there, town there, and course name also there. These are the given informations to prepare some letters, individual letters for each student, right? These are the required information. Look at the title, registration number, first name, last name, lane, town, and course name, right? I will close this one now. Then I will open the letter. Right, this is the sample letter. Based on this template, you need to prepare individual letters for each student based on these information. Right? Manually, you can prepare sample letters like this, right? Like this, copy and paste, just copy and paste, just copy and paste. That is not suitable way, right? For that, you can use mail merge options in the MS Word. Right? How we can start mail merge, right? Therefore, you need to go to mailing tab, right? Mailing. There is options called that the right start mail merge. I am repeating it, right? Start mail merge. In here, you can see there is options called that the step-by-step mail merge wizard, right? This is the options that you can use. Just click on it. Then you will see in this kind of interface in this side, right? Then here it asks select document type. Right? Whether it is a letter, it can be an email message, it can be an envelope, right? Or label or directory. Right, according to this example, right, I'm going to prepare a letter, therefore I will select letter. No issue with that. Then there is a step. Now we are in the step number 1, right? Then I will click on the next, that is starting document. You need to select the starting document. I will click on this one. Then here there is a option here, select starting document, right? There are 3 options. One is use the current document. This is the current document. Now I am working, right? If it is not, you can use start from a template, right? If you have a previously created template, then select this option and select the template, right? If it is not, you can start from the existing document in your laptop or desktop, right? Computer, right? Therefore, for these options, for this step, right, I will select the first option, that is use the current document, right? Using this document. Therefore, I will select first option. Then Next one. Next, select recipient. Right? Now select recipient. In here also there are three options. First one is use an existing list. Right? Use an existing list. That means the data list should be given to you like this. Whether it can be an Excel file, either it can be a Access file, Access database. Right? You aware about the Access also now. Microsoft Access and Excel also now you are expert, right? Then, if it is not, you can use this option, that is select from Outlook contacts, right? You can download data from the Outlook contact, then you can use those kind of data into this document to prepare this document. If it is not, there is another option, that is you can type a new list, right? If you have this kind of data set, then you can create a new list by typing, by create this one, and you can adjust the columns, right? First name, last name, or everything. If it is not, you can customize columns, right? If it is not, you can customize the columns according to your requirement. Then you can add entries here. Title, Mr. or Mrs. First name, give the first name, last name. Likewise, you can enter the data. Then thereafter, then you can click OK. Then you can use the recipient list, right? According to this example, we have a set of data, right? We have set of data. This is a file. I will select the first option, that is use an existing list. Use an existing list. Then what I have to do is I have to select that Excel file. Therefore, I will click on browse. Now I need to browse that Excel file. This is the path of this file. I will select and just paste here. It is easy for me. Now you can see this is the file. Select it and open. Here you need to select sheet number 1, right? In this Excel sheet, there are 3 sheets. Right? Data in the first sheet, right? Therefore, I will select sheet number 1, then click on OK button. Now you can see the available data in the Excel sheet loaded into this template, right? You can customize here, whether you can check or uncheck according to your requirement. Then click on OK, right? Now we have a recipient list. Then you can move to the next step, that is write your letter. I will click on this one. Now we can customize these fields, right? These fields you can customize based on the information, right? Here, look at this one. Here, we can put a date, no issue with that, because by inserting, go to insert, and there is options for that date and time. You can say a suitable date format for this one. No issue with that. Here you can see the title field here. You have to put the title, right? How we can put that title, right? Go to the mailing tab. Then you can see options called that the insert merge field. Just click on it. Then you will see the informations columns, right? Previously you saw this one. Title, registration number, first name, last name, lane, town, and course name. Right? These are the columns name. Right? Therefore, what I can do is put the cursor here, and just go to insert merge field. Then click the title. Right? Then put the space by clicking on the space bar. Right? Then you need to put the first name here, right? What I can do is I will select this one and go to the insert merge field. Then I will select first name. I put space here. Then I will select this one and I will insert last name like this. Next, I will replace the lane. Insert merge field, lane, and again town. Select the insert merge field and town. Now it's okay, right? Address is now it's totally okay. Here we have to do something special. Here we have to do something special. That is, we have to customize the salutations according to the Mr. or Mrs. Right? Mr. or Mrs. Either you can say dear sir, either you can say dear madam. Right? If it is a Mr., you can say dear sir. Right? Miss, we have to say that dear madam. Likewise, that you can customize it. How we can do that? Right? How we can do that? We can use rules. Rules. Here you can see there is options called that rules. Rules. Right? Click on it, then you will see that there are different kind of rules there. Right? According to our requirement, we can use if then else. If then else rule. Right? If then else rule. You will learn this concept in the next year, grade 11, under the programming language, right? Under Pascal, you will learn about this if condition, how it's work, right? Don't worry about that. Next, now you have to select the field name. Field name here, we have to select the title. Based on the title, we have to decide whether it's a sir or madam, right? Assume that the title equal to, then I will type Mr. Again, title equal to Mr. Then what is the result? We have to print that dear sir, right? Title exactly equal to Mr. Then we have to print the sir. If it is not, that means else part of the condition. If it is not, then we have to insert the madam, right? Madam, right? Now it's okay. Then click on OK button, right? Before you will see that sir, because first column is Mr. First row is a Mr. one, right? Therefore, you will see here it's a sir one, sir. Here, next, you have to replace the course name. Select this one, insert merge field, course name. Then I will put a space here and registration number. Insert merge field, registration number. Now it's okay. Now it's okay, totally okay, right? Next step is, right? Next step is, then you can preview your letters. You can check whether your letter is right, it's correct or not by clicking on the next step. Preview your letters. Preview your letters. Now you can check. This is the first letter, right? See this one. This is the first letter. You can see this is the first address. This is the student address, Mr. Kumar Vijayasiri, right? You can see that address and dear sir. Then you can use this navigation, right? By clicking on this one, then you can move to next letters, right? This is the second letter, Miss Manil Pereira. You can see the address and dear madam. And also you can see that the diploma in computer applications course name there and registration number also they are mentioned in the letter. Next, right, Mr. Colin Disanayaka, dear sir, you can see the here Mr. Therefore here print the Dear sir. Next one. Miss Dinesha the Silva. Dear madam, it's changed according to the condition. Right? Now it's okay. Next, what you can do is, then you can click on the complete the merge. Complete the merge. That is the last step. Complete the merge. Click on it. Then you can see there are two options here. Either you can print. If it is not, you can edit individual letters. If you have a printer, then you can take a print out by pressing on this option. Right? Either you can print all or current record. Then you can decide page from which page to which. Right? Likewise, if it is not, what you can do is you can edit individual letters. Click on edit individual letters. Then here also you can customize either all, current, or from which page to which. Then click on OK. Now you can see the final output document. Here, this is the first letter. You can see this is the first letter. This is the second letter. This is the third letter. This is the fourth letter. And this is the sixth letter. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 letters here, right? There are 5 letters. You can see there are 5 pages. This is how we can create, customize letters, customize certificate, customize envelopes based on the mail merge functions, mail merge tool in the MS Word, right? Next thing is you have to save this document, right? Just go to File, Save As, Browse. I select Desktop. I will select the location, this location. Now you can give a name. I will say that all letter document. Then press on save button. Then here you can see appear. Just click on OK. Now it's OK. Right? Save this document also. There are 2 documents now. One is template one, other one is all the letters document. Right? Here you can see now you have 2 documents. Right? This is how we can use mail merge feature in the MS. I will open a Word document. Then click on blank document. Right? Here I will add a random text. Random text. I will give an amount. I will say that 100. Then press on OK. Here you can see there are 9 pages now in this document. Randomly I added some text into this document. Now there are 9 pages. Here you can see the number page 9 pages, right? And also here you can see the word count also. Here here
So what is that 100 you entered then?
Number of paragraph with it.
Okay, sir.
Right? Number of paragraph. You can customize it. Right? In the previous day, I just press like this, rand, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That is the default one. If it is not, you can decide the number of how many paragraphs you can insert, right? You can give any amount. This is just for your knowledge, right? Right. Here, I will put a page break. I will put a page break. How we can do a page break here? because I need to insert some table of content into the first page. Therefore, I need to take blank page in this area. How I can get page break here? Put the cursor here, like this. Put the cursor here. Then go to layouts. Then go to layouts, breaks. Then you will see the page break here. I will click on this one. Now you can see we have empty page now. This is the empty page now. Here I can insert the table of content, table of content, table of table, table of figure, right? I can use this page. Here, I will do like this kind of way. I will say that this is heading 1 or topic 1. We will say that this is topic 1, right? Next page, I will put into the cursor here. I will say that this is topic 2, right? Here I will put another one. This is topic 3. Here I will add another one today. I will add another subtopic here, right? Here I will say this is subtopic of 3. You will see later, right? What will happen here. Next, I will say here topic right here. This is right. This is topic 4. And again, I will say that here there is another subtopic. This is subtopic 4.1 or something. Then I will add another one. This is topic 5, right? Assume that now we have to prepare a table of content, right? These are your documents heading. Let's say, for example, this is here you can mention that this is the introduction, right? Introduction or something. Could be a requirement, right? I will just here type. This is topic 1, topic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise to for the demonstration. Right. First thing is just go to home, tab. Then there's an important section here that is styles. Here you can see one is heading 2, title, subtitle, and no space, normal. There are different kind of styles. First thing is you have to define the heading 1, right? Heading 1, heading 2 sizes, heading 3 sizes, right? Normally, when you assume that you have to prepare some research, right? You have to prepare some research. Then in that document, they will say that your heading 1, right? They will say that font equal to Times New Roman and size, right? 18 point, right? Color, right? Black. Likewise, they will define. And also your heading 2, then font equal or Arial or something, then font size should be less than 18 right now. I think better 16 now. Then you can define color, let's say that black or something. Likewise, they will give the format, right? According to the format, you have to prepare document, right? Here you can see that you are heading one, you need to prepare like this. Font Times New Roman, size 18, color black. Your headings 2, right? Font this one, size this, and color, this is the color, right? How we can customize it? How we can customize it? How we can customize using this option, that is styles. Just go to here. Assume that now you are going to prepare heading 1. Here, just put the cursor and just right click and see there is options called that modify. Then you can modify it. Assume that my font type is, right, I will say that Times New Roman, right, Times New Roman, just select it. Then you can insert the font size 18. Then you can bold it according to your requirement, right? According to your requirement. And also you can decide the color, right? I will say that black, this is suitable. Then click on OK. Right now it's okay. We have customized the heading 1. Then can you remember in this area, we created another subtopics here. Subtopics, right? Therefore, I have to again customize another heading or to apply it into this subtopics, right? What I can do is I will go to heading 2 here, just right click and modify. I will say that here Arial 16 or 14, bold, and font color this one. This is a font color. Then click on OK. Now it's okay. Now what you have to do is, right? Now what you have to do is just come to the topics, select it. First select it. Then just go to heading 1, apply it. Again, go to the next page. Here you can see the topic number 2. It's the heading 1 topic. Therefore, select it. Then select heading 1. Again, here, this is topic 3. So heading 1 type. All right. Now here, this is a sub heading or subtopic. Therefore, I will select this one and apply the heading number 2. Right. Then again, here is a topic heading 1 type 1. Select. I select this one, and this is the subtopic. I will select this one and apply this one. And here, this is the heading number 1. Apply this one. This is first you need to do this step. Next one is how we can numbering now. Numbering, right? Assume that introduction is number 1, right? So second one is background, that is 2, right? Another one. Here assume that your introduction, third one introduction, 3.1. This is another subtopic there. Likewise, you need to number it. This is the way you can number, right? Normally, students they do is just put the cursor and they put the numbers manually. That is wrong. That is wrong. What you can do is here you can see under paragraph there is options called that the multi-level list. Multi-level list. Just click on it and see what are the available options, right? There are different options here. One is this option, this, right? According to your requirement, you can select any kind of templates here, right? Any kind of templates, right? I will select this one, right? I will select this one. Now you can see. This is 1. See, this is 2. This is 3. Here now it's, you can see that clearly differs now. This is 3, topic number 3. This is a subtopic 3.1, right? This one, 4. This is 4.1, right? Here, this is the 5, right? Likewise, you can customize. Then next step is now you can insert table of content into this page, right? How you can do that? Just go to this page. I will say yes, correct page, right? Then go to the references tab. Just go to the references tab. References tab, right? References tab, yes. Then here you can see the options called that the under table of content groups, table of content group, table of content. Yes, select the suitable format, right? Here, either it's a content one or either table of content. I will select second option. I will select second option, that is suitable one, because you can see a table of content mentions there, right? I will select second option. Then before that, remember, I will add page numbers also into this document. Then you can clearly understand what is happening here. How we can insert table of page numbers? Just go to insert. Here you can see the page numbers. There are different options here. I will select bottom of the page. Then I will select this one, plain number 2, this one. Then click on. Now you can see, right? Here, this is the first page, second, third, fourth, right? Likewise, right? Here now there's a problem now. It's already headers and footers are enabled. Now what you can do is just click on close headers and footers. Close headers and footers. Now it's okay, right? We have put the numbers now, page numbers. Next, I will go to this page, empty page. Put the cursor here. Just go to references tab. Then go to table of content. Then go to this one, table of content, this option. I will click on this one. This is very easy. Now you can see this is our table of content. No need to manually type it, right? This is how to insert table of content into your Word document, right? In a correct way, right? Normally what students they do is at the end of the day, before preparing the document, they first prepare the table of content. Type table of content manually. Then put the number 1 and put the space bar. And type the topic. That is wrong, right? What's the wrong here? Assume that if you change the page numbers here, then it will not update here. If you created a manual table of content, it will not update. But if you add a table of content in a correct way, if you do something in the pages, it will automatically update here, right? Here you can see the update table. There's option field that using this option, you can automatically update a table of content anytime. This is the importance of the table of content in the MS Word. Any questions? තේරුම් නැත්නම් තියෙනවා ආය අහන්න ආය කරනවා මම. හරි? සසිරු? දිනුෂා?
No, sir, it's clear for me.
Right. සසිරු?
Me too, sir.
Right. මෙහෙමද කලින් දැන් table of content නැත්නම් වෙන විදියක් තියෙනවද? manual type කරත් නැත්නම් මොකද? Sasil? Documents prepare කරලා තියෙනවද පුතේ? දිනුෂා?
ඔව් සර් ඒතකොට නම් මැනුවල් තමයි.
manually දැම්මොත් ඔක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙන්නේ. manually දාන්න එපා. හරි? This is the correct way. Right? This is another important thing. If you want to go to topic number 2, here, look at this one. Here, if you assume that if you want to go to topic number 2, right, press control button and click on the topic. What will happen, right? Here, if I want to go to topic number 5, now we are in table of content. Just press the control button and click on the topic. What will happen? It is automatically redirect to the page. That is the importance of the right table of contents. Right? It is very easy and useful one.
Sir,
So,
does that happen in a pre-prepared Word document?
pre-prepared means today.
That means a PDF which already prepared and sent to us.
That means පුතේ මට තේරුණා.
සර් මේ නිකම් PDF එක කියන්නේ.
normal
සර් හදලා එවන PDF එක.
මේ වගේ එකද?
ඔව් සර්.
මේකෙත් වැඩ කරනවා. No, this is not working today. Because you can see here, can you see? I have added some copyright options here. Can you see this one? Copy protected with this one. I have disabled the options. Right? I have disabled the options there. Normally, if you convert it into PDF, it should be work. Right? In this document, it is not work due to this option, copy protected one. Right? I will show it one, right? Finding. Right, I will show this one. That's a version. Here, look at this one today. This is already prepared one. Right, this is a PDF one. Right, here you can see I have added the cover page, and also here you can see the image, and here you can see the title, and here you can see that I have added the footers areas, and here borders there, document border there, and table of content there. You can see here topic 1, 1.1, 1.2, like 2, 2.1, 2.1.1, right? Then here you can see the page numbers there, right? Number there. And here also you can see the table of figure also here. Table of figure 1, figure 2, and table of tables also there. Table 1, right? And here it's normally it's working today. No need to press the control button. No need to press the control button. Just assume that if you want to go to bibliography, right? Here you can see the topic. Just click on it. Now you automatically redirect to the bibliography area. Again, see it. No need to press the control button here, right? If you want to go to history, just click on it. Now you are in history, right? It's working today, right? And any questions, Sasiru? Dinusha?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Then we have talked about again another thing is how we can insert figure in this way. How we can insert figure, and also how we can insert table of figure like this. How we can insert it, right? I will use this document, right? I will use this document. Here I will add some images into this document. Therefore, I will use all right. I will use these images. Assume that this one put into this place, right? Just click and drag into the document. That is not one way. If it is not, you can just go to insert. Then there is a pictures. Then click on this device. Then you can upload the images into a document. Then you can adjust the size of this image, right? Like this. Then you can change the layout by clicking on this option, layout option. Either you can select this square, tight, through, right? I will select this one. Then you can adjust it, right? Next thing, I will add another image. Assume that I will add image into this place. Put the cursor here. Then go to this, and I will add this image, right here. I will resize it. Then change the layout. Oops. Right. Assume that now we have two images. Now you need to insert figures. or labeling. We call that the label, right? Here in this document, you can see that under each image, you can see the name. We call that actually this is labeling. Labeling. Here, this is also labeling. Here you can see the mentioned name, and here under the table also you can see the name. This is the table labeling, right? How we can do that, right? We can do that using this option. Just go to References tab. Just go to References tab. References tab. First select the image. Then go to Insert Captions. Insert Captions. Insert Captions. Right? Here, under the here you can type, right? Captions you can type here. And here there is options called the label. Label here. Default one is figure. If you insert image, then you can select figure, right? If you insert some table, then you can select table. Then you can see the table 1.1 or something, right? If you insert some equation, then you can select the equations. According to this example, I insert figure. Then you can here you can type the topic. I insert the Internet of Things. Internet of Things. Then position, right? Here position, there are two positions here above the selected item. That means in this place. Below the selected items means below the given image or table. Below selected item. Then I will click on OK. Now you can see here I have added the label into this image. Now you can customize it. You can center this one, right? Just go to Home tab, right? You can center it like this. Then I will go to next image. Select this one. Select, first select. Just go to Reference tab. Just go to Reference tab. Then insert captions. Insert captions, right? You can change this one according to your ID. It can be a table. Then you can select a table. The figure. Then you select figure. Then give the name. You will say that IoT or something. Then click on OK. Now you can see here, you can center this one. Just go to Home and center. Now it's okay. We have added two labels. One is here, other one is here. Now, next thing is we have to insert, right, table of figure, right, table of figure after the table of content. After the table of content, you can put table of figures, right? How we can do that? I will go to the in this place, right? Put the cursor here, right? What you can do is again go to References tab. Again go to References tab, right? Then here we use this option, right? We use this option. And here click on this one. Here there is options called that the table of figures dialog. Table of figure dialogs, right? Here you can see print preview this way, web preview this way, and you can customize whether it's a tab reader. Likewise, you can customize. I will show it again, right? Then click on OK. Now you can see that I have added the table of figure. Simply you can type the table of figure, right? This is how to insert table of figure. Again, I'll revise it. I will undo it. Right. First thing is insert the images into your document. Then select it and just go to references. References tab. Here you can see the captions, group caption. Then click on insert caption. Insert caption. Then put the title or label. Then click on OK. Then you will see this kind of label. Right. Thereafter, at the end of when you're preparing document, at the end, just go to this page below the table of content. Then you can type table, right, of figure. Then again, come to the references tab. Then go to group captions. Here you can see options called as the table of figures dialog. Table of figures dialog. Just click on it. Right. Either you can customize these options, show page numbers or not. Right. Here you can see. Then tab leader. Likewise. Or likewise. I will select the dot. Then click on OK. Right. Here you can see I have added 2. That's why here you can see it's repetitions there. Right. Again, if you can click here with control button, just press control and press on this table of figure. Here, assume that I will click on this one. Now what's happened? This automatically redirect to the correct image or figure. Right? This is very easy. Right? Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir, I don't have a question.
Next thing. We have discussed about these things, and replace also, search also in the find also in the last week. Under insert tab, we have discussed about covers, tables. Can you remember tables? Can you remember, Dinusha? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, tables. Do you know how to take a screenshot?
Yes, sir. I know how to take a snapshot.
Right. Screenshot. And also here you can see there's option called the screenshot also. If it is not you, either you can use snipping tool. Can you remember this tool? I explained this one in the previous.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then comment also we discuss, and broadcast in the first day we talk about this one. Symbols you can use to insert some symbols. Right? Insert symbols. There are symbols. Here you can see the copyright symbol. There are different kind of symbols. Just click on more and see. Here there are different symbols there. Right? And if you want to insert some equation, there are some options here. And also there is a special feature here, in equation. You can type equations as you want, like this. X equal y plus 1, like this. Then you just click on insert. Here you can see. I will repeat it again, right? If you want to add some equation into your document, right? Just go to insert tab. there is options called that equation. Then you can insert your own equations by using this option, inc equation. Just click on it, right? Here you can type or you can draw it. I will say that x equal y plus 5 or something like this. Now you can see the equation. Then click on insert. Now here you can see the equation. Here you can see the equation. Next thing, insert right equation, design. We discuss about page borders, page colors, and watermark also. Under layout tab, we discuss about margins, right? Margins, you can customize the margins according to the requirement. If it is here, you can see the top 1, 1, 1, 1. If it is not, you can customize by clicking on the custom margins, right? Top 1, or you can adjust this one, or like this. And also you can change the orientation, page orientations, right? Then you can change the page sizes, and also we discuss about how we can insert more columns, 2, 3, left, like these options. And under page breaks, we discuss about page break, column break, and section break, right? Important breaks, right? Important, very important, especially section break. And next one, another important one, that is you can insert line numbers. Assume that if you want to insert some line numbers, right? I will click on this option, right? Here you can see line numbers, right? This is first line, second, third, likewise. None means there is no line numbers. If you want to insert some numbers, then click on this one for your easiness, right? And then hyphenation mark, right? You can use this hyphenation to insert some hyphenations, right? This option. Next, another one, very important one. Assume if you want to bring this paragraph of first line into middle or in this place, here you can see the number 2. How you can do that? What you can do with it? If you want to bring this first paragraph or line, first line into this place, what you can do? You can use this option, that is here, left indentation, right? If it is not, here you can see one is, if you put the cursor and see left indent, another we call that the hanging indent, right? See the difference. Now I am click on the hanging indent, just click and drag into this place. See what happened, hanging indent. Next one, I will click on the first one, that is first line indent. See what happened. This is first line indent. Next one is hanging indent, like this. Third one is left indent. Left indent. Right? If you want to bring some paragraph into the left side, then you can select, click here, that is left indent. Just click and drag into this place where you want, like this. Right? If you want to bring the first line, only first line, just click in the first line indent. Click here and click here. If you want to bring the from second line, just click on it, hanging indent like this, right? Hanging indent. And under references tab, we have talk about table of content, footnote, endnote, and citation. This is very important one, citations. Citation, how we can insert some citations, and also bibliography, how we can insert some references. At the end of your document, you can insert references, right, by using this option. Today we talk about the insert captions, how we can insert captions into your Word document. Next one, we talk about the mail merge. Mail merge. And under review, we discuss about comments, how we can insert some comments. And also, there's another one called that is track changes. What do you mean by track changes? Any idea about this one, Sasiru? Track changes.
No, sir, I don't have.
Dinusha, any idea?
Me too, sir. I don't
All
have
right.
any.
Very important, right? I will explain. Right, this is, you can track some changes with it, right? If you enable this one, right, I will click on this one. I will, now you can see it's highlighted now, right? If you do some changes, you assume that if you do some changes, right, it's highlighted, right? Yeah, if you can cursor, right, assume that if you prepare some document, then it send it to your friend to do some changes. If you enable this option, then you can easily track the what are the changes he or she made into your document. Easily you can track. Right? මේ option එක enable කරලා තිබ්බොත් එහෙනම් ඔයාලා මේ document එකට change කරලා තියෙන්නේ මොනවද කියලා easily ඔයාලා track කරගන්න පුළුවන් by enabling this option, right? Then I will do another one. Assume that if I delete this paragraph, select and delete this one. Now what happened? Now you can see what I did is, again I will do that. I will select this paragraph, then I will click on the delete button. Right? I will click on the delete button. Delete button. What will happen? It is not deleted, but here you can see it seems like this, right? Because I have already enabled the track changes, right? Right here, then here, now, then you can either you can accept some changes or either you can reject, right? Look at this one. Assume that your supervisor or your teacher give an assignment to do some, prepare some Word document, then you submit to teacher, then teacher made some modification into your document by enabling this document, right? Like this. Now you can either now you can then you do some changes like this, then you can accept, either you can accept, either you can reject by clicking on this one. Assume that here, if you accept it, then you cannot see this one. If you reject it, and also here. So now normally, this is very important tool, right?